Hello, I'm Peter Fingar, and as a former CIO and college professor, I've been working at the intersection of business and technology for almost 40 years. You could say this grandpa has seen it all from the very beginning. So I don't pay much attention to the constant stream of hype that comes from the IT industry. But now and then, something game-changing comes along, and I devote my full attention. For example, the mini-computer in the 1970s, then the PC in the 1980s, then the Internet in the 1990s, just to name a few. Well, today we are witnessing a seismic shift in information technology, the kind that comes about every decade or so, and it will have a huge impact on business, especially in today's dire economy. Remember how the retail industry was slow to grasp the importance of the Internet before it got Amazoned? Well, another technology storm is brewing, only this time the turbulence could be even greater and affect every industry. And it's no less than a perfect storm, as it's coming at us in the midst of today's unexpected change. It's called the cloud, a 21st century business platform built on cloud computing technologies. Cloud computing is set to unleash a perfect storm in business. Just as it was with a fresh new Internet of only a decade ago, the cloud and the technologies of cloud computing bring with them confusion and hype. Nevertheless, these are game-changing phenomena, so business leaders, and the rest of us, must gain an understanding of what these terms really mean and how they will affect us, just as much as the Internet has affected us all. In my book, Dot.Cloud, the 21st Century Business Platform, I explain the main ideas of cloud computing in lay terms. I also do some old-fashioned reporting to bring together the ideas of the movers and shakers who are actively building the cloud. But this is not a technical book about cloud computing technologies. It's a business book. It's about what the cloud pretends for business, about transformation in the ways companies are managed, about innovative business models for the 21st century. It's about how companies carry out their work in the cloud instead of office buildings and skyscrapers, and how they deliver their services in the cloud. It's also about human interactions in the cloud and about the end of management and the rise of self-organizing, self-managed bio-teams. Even more, it's about unlocking human potential in business, about unleashing passion. All this points to your company's future and your future, set in the context of the biggest economic downturn since World War II. So ultimately it's about lighting a fire under all of us. According to Jim Siner, Vice President of Gartner, to say that we are living in interesting times is an understatement. And Dot.Cloud has captured the essence of how business will work going forward. Dot.Cloud is both visionary and realistic in that each of the pieces of the vision have working examples today, but not woven together like in this writing. The goal of the virtual business platform is not just a dream, but attainable once all the contributing pieces are brought together. Dot.Cloud brings them together in a way that will work under any number of situations across any industry. Gregory Simpson, Chief Technology Officer of GE, remarked, Dot.Cloud isn't just about the cloud. It's really about embracing change in the workplace. It pulls together elements of Web 2.0, BPM, and other dreaded three-letter acronyms, as well as social and economic trends to give you a vision for how harnessing the cloud can transform the way your company works. Dot.Cloud pulls all of these concepts together in an understandable fashion, making this a business book for the future. And the future is now. Today, both business and technology forecasts are cloudy. Smart businesses will prepare now to take advantage of the cloud and successfully ride out the perfect storm to create a bright future. As you can tell, I don't come from a position of knowing. I come from a position of learning. And I invite you to join me on this journey into the cloud. I invite you to watch the 8-minute video overview at www.mkpress.com/cloud, and to take a peek from time to time at my newest writings at www.peterfingar.com. We do indeed live in very interesting times.